is about complex numbers. On an Argand diagram, shade the region whose points represent complex numbers z satisfying the inequalities. The modulus of z minus 1 plus 2i is less than the modulus of z, and the modulus of z minus 2 is less than or equal to 1. So for the first locus, you have z on both sides. This is a perpendicular bisector. To identify the 2 points, use z minus z1 form. So this is z and this is minus. So we have to use 1 minus 2i, because if we multiply we get minus 1 back to the original, multiply we get plus 2i back to the original. So we're not changing anything about the question. Same thing here with the right hand side. There is nothing, which means it's 0 0. So now we can see the points are 1 minus 2 and 0 0. And since the left hand side is smaller, we use the 1 minus 2 shade towards 1 minus 2. So the graph is supposed to be, we label the 0 0 origin and the 1 minus 2. So perpendicular bisector means the line connecting the 2 points here, we have to make a line perpendicular to this line, so it's perpendicular, and it is also bisecting, or it is through the midpoint. So this is the perpendicular bisector line, and we shade towards 1 minus 2, so in this direction. For the green locus here, we have only z on one side. This is circle. To find the center of the circle, we use z minus z1 form. If you multiply, if you open up the brackets, minus 2, 0i, so just minus 2, which is the same as the original question. The center is therefore 2 0. The radius is 1, and we shade inside because of the less than or equal to. So this is the center of the circle, the radius is 1, so it's kind of like this. We shade the inside of the circle. So the final answer is draw the perpendicular bisector and the circle, and shade inside the circle and to the bottom right of the perpendicular bisector. So this is the shaded part. Notice that we have to label the 0 0, the 1 minus 2, and the center of the circle 2, and make sure the line is passing through like this. So the x-intercept, y-intercept should be around here. So if the y-intercept is around here, you're gonna lose a mark. If the x-intercept is, say, around here, you're gonna lose a mark. So the sketch should be pretty accurate here. Alright, I'll see you again next time.